Master mix is a combination of nonspecific protein, anti-affinity tag capture antibodies, and homobifunctional crosslinker in milli-Q water that, when mixed with DNA, promotes the deposition and adherence of DNA to silanated glass plates, while allowing the cDNA to be transcribed and translated into array-immobilized functional protein. Following preparation of the master mix, aliquots are transferred to the wells of a 96-well PCR plate to facilitate transfer of 25 microliters to precipitated DNA in 800 microliter storage plates using a robotic liquid handling robot. Master mix is prepared just prior to mixing with purified and dry DNA, after which it is covered with foil and shaken on a thermal mixer for no more than 30 minutes, during which time we can prepare the arrayer. As an alternative, DNA can be resuspended in 20 microliters of water, after which a 5 times master mix can be used. Once a level of comfort has been obtained with conduct of the protocol, the arrayer can be prepared for printing during the time in which master mix is being incubated with DNA, such that the arrayer is fully prepared just as incubation is finishing. The particular requirements of the actual printing will depend in part on the brand of arrayer that's being used. We currently use a genetic contact print arrayer with 300 micron contact tungsten pins. Prior to printing, we need to ensure that the water and ethanol reservoirs are filled and that the 2 waste reservoirs are emptied. We then also can open the chamber and ensure that the deck where the slides will be placed is free and clear of any debris. We then also need to ensure that the pins are cleaned and placed inside the contact printing head. A can of compressed air can be quite helpful in cleaning the deck, just gently spraying to remove any shards of glass that may have accumulated on the deck. A moist Kim wipe can be used to wipe down the slide seats to ensure that they are also clear and free from anything that may interfere with the proper seating of slides on the deck. In order to clean the pins, a few items are helpful, including a bottle of milli-Q water, a Kim wipe upon which to place the clean pins, and another Kim wipe to clean the pins. We moisten the Kim wipe and then importantly clean the pins inside the arraying chamber to avoid potential for dropping the pins and damaging the print heads. Print pins are then loaded into the arraying head according to the needs of the particular print run. We note that there is a single locking orientation for the pins to keep them from spinning during the print run. Slides are then placed into the arraying deck in preparation for the print run. Once slides have been roughly oriented on the slide deck, partial vacuum is applied and the fine position of the slides can be adjusted using 2 wooden shims before full vacuum is applied. Now that the deck is properly set up and the pins have been installed in the arraying head, we can close the door to the arraying chamber and turn on the humidifier. After completion of the 30-minute incubation, the mixture of DNA and master mix is transferred to a 384-well plate using an automated liquid handling robot in preparation for printing. Now that we've prepared our arraying plate with both our DNA and master mix in it, we're ready to start arraying. Simply load the plate into the arraying chamber, close the door, and turn on the humidifier. Once humidity has reached the set point of 60%, we can begin arraying. Once the slides are printed, they can be stored in a sealable container with a silica packet to maintain a dry atmosphere for up to several months at room temperature before developing.